Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar had separate meetings with the Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge and leader Rahul Gandhi. Now, sources suggest that the cabinet reshuffle issue is likely to have been raised, where Rahul Gandhi was briefed on the Karnataka political situation.
Sir, recently you met Rahul Gandhi. Was there any discussion regarding the CM post?
I can't disclose all those things. It is not a public issue to be discussed. It is between me and the party high command and my chief minister.
Well, let's connect with Neha on this. Neha, good morning. As far as this meeting with Rahul Gandhi is concerned, D.K. Shivkumar was been seeking this meeting, a one-on-one meeting, for a very long time now. Through sources, what we are learning that the two leaders may have discussed.
Well, Amita, that's right. Of course, all eyes were on this crucial meeting there that the Deputy Chief Minister, had dropped hints about while leaving from Bengaluru itself to Delhi. Remember, of course, whenever he was asked about this, he said that he would be meeting with the leader, in fact, of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. Of course, as far as this is concerned now, what we also pick up is that, the Deputy Chief Minister, of course, having pitched there for his case to become the Chief Minister. Remember, 2.5 years of the Congress government have gone by in the state. And this talk of change of guard or, the change of leadership here just refusing to die down. In fact, if anything, it's only been fueled more. When, of course, we asked the Deputy Chief Minister about this, he says that it's the High Command's decision. When we asked the Chief Minister about the Deputy Chief Minister's visit to Delhi, he in fact, categorically went on to say that he has no idea about this visit. With all of this being said now, of course, it's a matter of time possibly before the High Command really decides on how to end this talk once and for all and whether there's going to be an actual change of guard in the state or not.
All right. But as far as these meetings are also concerned, what is the Deputy Chief Minister of the opinion? Because he doesn't seem to be giving away much, because it is being said that he holds separate meetings with Rahul Gandhi and also with Mallikarjun Kharge.
Well, Amita, that's right. We must remember that even at the time that Rahul Gandhi had, in fact, very briefly halted in Mysuru on the runway on that airstrip. In fact, we saw both the Chief Minister as well as his deputy also holding talks with Rahul Gandhi. Now, the question, of course, arises is that even as the Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah, has completed in fact, a long tenure over here in the state for nearly 2.5 years. Was there ever that power sharing agreement? That is, of course, something that still remains unanswered. But we'll really have to wait and see. It's a matter of time now. The Deputy Chief Minister flying back to Bengaluru later this evening is what we're told. And we'll really have to wait and see as to what decision is made in Delhi and how that would impact the politics in the state.
All right. So the Deputy Chief Minister was asked about his meeting that he had with Rahul Gandhi, and here's what he said.
Sir, recently you met Rahul Gandhi. Was there any discussion regarding the CM post?
I can't disclose all those things. It is not a public issue to be discussed. It is between me and the party high command and my chief minister.
Well, as far as Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is concerned, he has also reacted as far as these meetings that have been taking place with the High Command of the Congress Party.
Delhi ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ದೆಹಲಿ
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾನು
ಸರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ದೆಹಲಿ
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾನು
ಸರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ದೆಹಲಿ
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾನು
Nyamika is also connected with us. Nyamika, has the party high command been made aware of the Karnataka political situation?
Well, yes, indeed. As yesterday, there were several rounds of talks which have taken place of Mr. D.K. Shivkumar with the party high command. Firstly, as he was basically participating in the meeting of Assam Assembly elections preparations. At that point in time, there was a brief conversation between D.K. Shivkumar and Rahul Gandhi, which had taken place at 10 Rajaji Marg. And soon after the meeting got over for the Assam Assembly elections, there was a discussion, a separate discussion which has taken place between D.K. Shivkumar and the Congress President, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. As sources have also informed Times Now that a discussion over the power tussle as well as the cabinet reshuffle has also taken place between the two leaders, between D.K. Shivkumar as well as Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. However, it must be noted that just before this meeting, there was a separate meeting which had taken place at 10 Janpad between the Karnataka Minister KJ George, who had a one-to-one talks with Rahul Gandhi, which had lasted for more than 30 minutes. And it is also being informed to us that KJ George has basically apprised about the political situation within the state of Karnataka to Rahul Gandhi, and he had also, mentioned that there is a need for a cabinet reshuffle within the state. So that is the latest which is coming in as far as the power tussle going on within the state of Karnataka. It is being informed that Rahul Gandhi was also wanted to know about the current situation there, as we have seen that repeatedly there were several rounds of talks which have taken place recently also between between Rahul Gandhi and DK Shivkumar, as well as Mr. Siddaramaiah at the Mysore airport, and there is still a decision which is pending in the state of Karnataka that whether there will be a change in the state leadership or not, and when this cabinet reshuffle is going to take place. So that is the reason why currently all of these reports are taking.
So it seems that the party leadership has been made aware of the Karnataka political situation within the Congress party as far as this one-on-one meetings that has been happening with the party leadership. Thank you very much, Nyamika, for joining in. As Neha